शिवग्राम शिक्षण संस्थेन यंग सायंटिस्ट 2023 हे विज्ञान प्रदर्शन 1 आनी 2 डिसेंबराक आयोजन केला अशी माहिती संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष सुभाष शिरोडकार हांणी दिला। विज्ञान क्षेत्रांत करियर घडोवपा खातीर खूब संद आसा। ह्या संदेचो लाभ विद्यार्थ्यांनी घेवचो अशें मंत्री सुभाष शिरोडकार हांणी म्हणला।
Our society, education society has been trying for the last almost I would say 10-15 years, but this is specifically is the 9th chapter of a young scientist. We came out with this concept of a young scientist for the simple reason is the catchy word which should pass on to the youngsters and also to the parents that yes, I have got in my house a scientist who may be a child of say 9th and 10th and then comes to 11th. So majorly it is to promote the scientific temperament and I would say the appreciation to learn maths and science. When it comes to technology, it means basically a child should know the basics of maths and physics and science. So this is merely to promote the study of science and technology.